Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download Robinhood on PC. But here's the thing, there's actually no traditional desktop app to download. Instead, I'll walk you through the three main ways you can use Robinhood on your computer, whether you're on Windows or Mac. The first and most official option is Robinhood Legend. This is their browser-based desktop platform, no download required. If you already have a Robinhood account, just go to robinhood.com and log in. Once you're in, click on Robinhood Legend. You'll see setup instructions on screen, follow those through, and you'll land in the Legend trading platform. You can customize your layout with charts, watch lists, and order panels. If you don't have a Robinhood account yet, go to robinhood.com/legend, look for an Unlock Legend option, and apply for an investing account. Once you're approved, you can access Legend from any modern browser. You'll know you're in the right place when you see options to start from scratch or use a layout template. If you prefer the mobile app experience on a bigger screen, the next method is to use an Android emulator called BlueStacks. Head to bluestacks.com and click Download BlueStacks. Once the installer downloads, launch it, and wait for the installation to finish. BlueStacks will open automatically when it's done. Sign into the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks with your Google account. In the Play Store search bar at the top, type Robinhood and find the official app. Click Install, and once it's done, you'll see Robinhood on the BlueStacks home screen. Open it and log in with your Robinhood credentials. Keep in mind, this method needs at least 4 GB of RAM and 5 GB of free disk space. The third option is the classic Robinhood web platform. This is simpler than Legend but still fully functional. Just go to robinhood.com in your browser and log in with your email and password. You'll land on your portfolio dashboard. From there, you can navigate between your dashboard, markets, stocks, options, crypto, and cash management tabs. It's straightforward and works for basic trading. So which one should you use? Robinhood Legend is the best option for most people. It's official, has advanced tools, and requires no installation. The emulator is only worth it if you specifically want the mobile app interface. And the classic web platform is perfect if you just need simple trading without the advanced charting. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.